What's going on, YouTube? This is Supra Crypto, and we're going to do some quick TA on Polygon MATIC. So give me some time here. I need to map a couple things. I'm going to take this as the local top and bottom, and this chart looks pretty good. Very different compared to my two other previous videos that I did today. You can go check that out. That I did an analysis on AVAX and Solana earlier. This one looks pretty good overall. We are not completely overbought yet. We're hovering slightly above the 20-day moving average. I want to zoom out a little bit more. Why am I not zooming out? Let's go. Give me one sec, everyone. Sorry, I gotta see where we're at. Okay, so the bottom, it looks like the bottom was definitely in. The bottom was in at 31 cents. So overall, there's really not too much information around the area that we're at. I guess, let me see. Wow, it's kind of a weird chart. Boom, like this is a huge dump. Wow, okay, let me think about this one. All right. So for the bulls, we are we're hovering slightly above the 20-day moving average, and our RSI was recently overbought when it hit $1.30 on November 7, and that's on the day. Let me jump back to the 4-hour. Since then, we've actually had some relatively bullish momentum, which is a very good sign, at least from the bullish standpoint, right? We, on the day, let's go take a look at the day at the RSI. We're hovering around our pretty much neutral, slightly overbought, but not that much. And it's in an uptrend as a whole. So I'm gonna have to say here's your target, everybody that are bulls. So I'm gonna mark this actually because I think these are good levels, even though I have it already mapped out just based off the Fibonacci. I think these are the main things to look for in terms of being bullish. So let's talk about that really quickly. If we can maintain uh, close to 93 cents, maybe like 92.50, if we can maintain around that level and that becomes support, your next stop, you're probably looking around the 107, right? I mean, I'm looking at these three little tops here. I think there's just a lot of uncertainty within this area that we're essentially about to go up to, possibly. So 92 cents roughly, or I'm sorry, 93 cents roughly, about 92 and 50, and then the 107 right here. This is kind of a choppy area. So trade with caution in this area. People could short honestly anywhere. There's really not too much information here. I mean, you could argue something in between at maybe $1 and $2, which is I feel like is I don't know, I feel like this is kind of a psychological area in my opinion. So I might color that black or something. Ooh, we can't even see that. That's a bad color. That's a bad color. Let's make it white. Psychological. I think that's a psychological support resistance area, $1. I mean, anything very close to like even numbers, be wary of. That's pretty much all I got for the bulls. And I guess if we blow past 107, your next target would be 130. Now the bears, you guys, really did a number on this chart as well. But the bulls are trying to take it over. I think the bulls like MATIC, and it could be because of the Disney partnership, right? I don't know if you're aware of that. To some of the viewers, there was a recent partnership with Disney and MATIC. Um, and that's essentially kind of what drove the price up quite a bit. So what's this? 75 cents. This, this right here, psychological support. And obviously your gold pocket. I guess I'll mark this for everybody. And I guess just gold, right? It's your golden pocket. There, makes perfect sense. All right, Bears. Currently, we're on our way down, right? From the Bears' perspective, you're looking at 93 cents roughly, and you're looking at that thing and be like, all right, that's resistance. We're headed on our way down. Next target would be 81 cents, roughly 82, depending plus or minus here, right? People like to do psychological stuff. Um, if 81 cannot hold, next stop 75 cents. And then there's that golden pocket right here, which is your point 618 and 0.65 at 69 and 66 cents. Not much to say. Um, could really go either way. And I believe that's truly dependent on the Fed meeting coming up in a few days. So, right. Everybody trade safe, trade smart. That's it. Until the next one.